Stealing the state's money is diabolical. But stealing the state's money when you have no smarts, you have no clue, and you just a dumb cop. Why would you have a saloon in your house when you have a cheese cop? Why would you have three of the same cars in the same color? Huh? Why? Why would you have a car wash in your house? Ingqondo ayisebenzi. You did Angie Mtecha's syllabus. Okay? Angie, sorry, Angie. I know you are the deputy president right now. All our lives are in your hands. We are in under the danger. But really, you need to get thrown under the bus because what in the hell? I need Morgan Maumela under the jail. And while he's under the jail, I need the Satan to open the portal so he can get under the toenail of Satan. Yeah? Ngiyanamukela kunkqubo yami bomuntu abakadayati bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-auntie bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Yo, I'm sure you're like, Sims, where are you guys? I've been on set. I have other things going on off camera. So anytime I get the chance to come on camera, trust me, I will. South Africa is a film. South Africa is a movie. South Africa is Isibaya and Isidingo at the same time. You blink once, 17,000 things have happened. We are running out of what? We don't know what to say anymore. We just don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want to get your business recognized by management, you want to get your YouTube channel on my platform so other people can see it. Okay, I've got you covered. Lee Kuzwayo is in the headlines of Twitter. Yes. Dr. Pat, the plastic surgeon, who wasn't a qualified plastic surgeon. I know we can't speak about the ones that are resting, but Dr. Pat, we need to speak about you because your work is walking around South Africa right now. And then Hangwane, you devil Diablo Njandini Maumela. Hey, it is said that Lee Kuzwayo has allegedly found love in a man who is currently in a permanent Zoom meeting. Yes, guys, it is alleged that Uli Kuzwayo is seeing Sandile Phakathi. And the last time I checked, Sandile Phakathi was married to Mrs. Phakathi. Ori, yim engrongu agreement. So people on social media are like, Batung Uli Kuzwayo, did you not leave your ex-husband because he was in the crooked places doing private part collaborations with other people when he was supposed to be in a permanent Zoom meeting with you? And now you are part of a permanent Zoom meeting that is not yours. I don't know. Guys, all I just know is that Lee Kuzwayo is a stunning woman to look at. So sometimes it makes us dizzy. When you idolize some people, you even forget that they do bad things, they do wrong things. Because Lee Kuzwayo, she is a world-class content creator. So when she does things that are shaky for the morality of the body and the bones, it is hard to be like, Lee, but we have to. No, Lee, because we're always checking other people. We must check you too. You remember how hard we went on Miss Ali? So, Lee, if this is true, my sister, abenzi kanjalo. Abenzi kanjalo. Oh, the late and great Dr. Pat. Dr. Pat, I was always like wondering in my mind, no, are you not a general practitioner? Because one minute I knew you as a world-renowned in Joburg, a general practitioner, You were very good. Oh, you were so good at general practicing that the practitioners were hailing you. Even the generals were like, wow. I was like, wow, what a great general practitioner. That's why General Mkwanazi is generalizing that you are a good general practitioner. So then you started doing plastic surgery. And I took out my calculator that I learned from the maths in engine syllabus. And I said, when did you study surgery? When did you become a surgeon, Dr. Pet? Because the whole time you were a practitioning, isn't it? Hayi but vele yabe sengiyisheka yabe vele ngiyivula lesa incwadi le yabe ngihamba deep yabe goa deep Dr. Pet. I go deep to research and I ask the Google, I put Dr. Pet plastic surgeon. The Google come back and he'll say no. Is the qualification is a 0, but in her mind she can do it with your body. And this body will work for you. I said, hey, he's a rat. He's a rat. What? He for him my beginning, you cool down. What is it? Guys, Dr. Pet is not a plastic surgeon. But I admire the Instagram baddies. I admire the influencers that went and slept on Dr. Pet's surgery table when she was not a she is a plastic surgeon by practicing, because she was practicing it on your bodies. But the qualifications, the proof, receipts, the documentation. But you know what? If you can believe it, you can achieve it. You know, you may be resting, Dr. Pet, but your work is moving around us. Your work does not go unnoticed. We know that plastic surgery was done by you because we can see. Yabe sibona yabe sivula amehlo so big eyes yabe sibona ukuthi vele yabe ihambisana no Dr. Petty, so yabe in the 60 places yabe ihamba vele. Dr. Pet, you know what? May you continue resting like that, because we see your work. When I went to the Google, I just got a shock. Wow. You said you are a practicing. You never said you were a qualified. Is who unto us for not knowing the differential, Siswam. But anyway, we can't speak about the resting. We can't. Afpop and Sanlam will shout at us. So let's not continue. But when Morgan, you alleged estranged what are you? You are an estranged nephew of Cyril Dombolo Ramaphosa, because Cyril was married to Hangwani's aunt, and then he got divorced, and then he got married into the Mutsipe family, Cyril. But he was a step uncle to this one, who is currently being in the investigations and the revelations. The SIU was at Morgan Maumela's multi-million dollar. No, guys, I can say $1 million because he bought 2 plots. He bought 2 plots. One plot was 70 million rand, and the other plot was 16 million rand. And he built this gigantic mansion with the money that was supposed to be used for the Tembisa hospital. Okay? He built a mansion. On top of building that mansion, and with that 800 fraudulent tender that he got, allegedly, he had Lamborghinis that were all identical, and the SUV. He had a Bentley. He had cars from here to Louis Trichat. He had a barber shop. Une-chiscope, mind you. Une-chiscope. And but he had a saloon in his house. He had a car wash in his house that was built off the money that was supposed to take care of dying, sick people.
Kind of Lamborghini, and here's another car. This also looks like a Lamborghini. Yeah, this also looks like one of the Lamborghinis that are being removed from the property. So yeah, cars are being removed from the property and into, I think, seized and put into this truck. So you'll excuse my limited knowledge on cars, but this looks like quite an expensive vehicle.
I need this man beyond under the jail, okay? And you know what hurts me? That the SIU is always doing these performative things, you know? You remember when they did this with Edin Sodi's house and they went and they investigated and they confiscated our assets? Where is Edwin Sodi now? Is he not inside and underneath Karen's panty still? Is his voice still not a community library amongst the baddies? Remember when they confiscated and what Julius Malima's house? Where's Julius Malima now? Where is that house now? So please, you guys always like to do these performative things. So I will be worried and be like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, they are doing their work, but we all know where this is going to end, you know? And it is well that Cyril Ramaphosa has allegedly claimed that he has no idea who this man is. Do you not live down the street? Do you not live down the street from this man? On top of living down the street allegedly from this man, right next door his house is your advisor's house. Benjamin lives right next door, Morgan Maumela. And what do you know around the corner is his associate and criminal Katiso Mulipi. Then write down Cyril. Cyril ngicabanga ukuthi silala sidla amabele sivuke nge-jungle oats. Your economy is making sure that is not happening. Do you see how much jungle oats is? Do you see how much mabele is? So all the time we have is to eat more vite. So we are hungry. So we are looking deeply. I can see you, see me, see you. You and you. What? So, ngiso